In many parts of Africa, farming is not just a livelihood, it's life itself. But behind every green farm is a silent struggle, the search for water. When the rains delay, when rivers dry, when crops begin to weaken, farmers are left with one question: how do we keep going? Today at this Farmers Expo, we discover answers, simple, powerful innovations that are changing the story of irrigation. Across the continent, farmers are turning to smart, affordable solutions to bring water closer to their crops, from the power of the sun to the strength of human effort. These irrigation pumps are transforming how farming is done. Here we see the solar-powered water pump, quietly working under the African sun. No fuel, no electricity bills, just sunlight, freely available every single day. For farmers in remote villages, this is more than technology, it's freedom. Freedom from high costs, freedom from unreliable rainfall. With solar energy, water flows even during dry seasons, giving crops a fighting chance and farmers renewed hope. But not every solution needs advanced technology. This leg-operated pump tells a different story, one of simplicity and human resilience. Using the strength of the legs, farmers can draw water with less strain, working longer and more efficiently. It's practical, affordable, built for the everyday farmer. And in places where resources are limited, innovations like this make all the difference. Then there's the hand-operated pump, a familiar tool across many African homesteads. It may be simple, but it carries generations of reliability. No complicated systems, no dependence on external power, just effort and results. For many small-scale farmers, this pump remains a trusted companion in the field. Each of these pumps tells a story of innovation, a story of adaptation, a story of farmers refusing to give up. Whether powered by the sun, by strength, or by simplicity, these tools are helping communities take control of their water and their future. Because in the end, farming is not just about growing crops, it's about resilience, survival, and hope. And with the right tools in hand, African farmers are proving that no matter the challenge, life will always find a way to grow.